Hello everyone. Today we will continue to learn about the species of chimpanzees. Female chimpanzees reach sexual maturity around 11 to 13 years of age, while males mature slightly later. The gestation period lasts approximately 230 days, around 7.5 months, resulting in the birth of a single infant. Though twins are rare, infants are completely dependent on their mothers, clinging to them for the first few months and gradually becoming more independent. Weaning occurs around 4 to 5 years of age, but young chimpanzees continue to learn and socialize under the guidance of their mothers for several more years. In the wild, chimpanzees can live up to 40 to 50 years, while those in captivity may live longer, sometimes reaching their 60s. Chimpanzees exhibit advanced cognitive abilities, including problem-solving, memory, self-awareness, and future planning. Experiments have demonstrated that they can recognize themselves in mirrors, use sign language or symbols to communicate with humans, and perform tasks that require reasoning and logic. In controlled environments, chimpanzees have shown the ability to understand cause and effect, demonstrate delayed gratification, and even learn basic arithmetic. Their intellectual capabilities continue to be a subject of intense scientific interest. Chimpanzees have played a significant role in human culture and science. They have been featured in folklore, religion, and popular media, often symbolizing wisdom, mischief, or human-like traits. In scientific research, chimpanzees were once widely used in biomedical studies due to their genetic similarity to humans. However, growing ethical concerns have led to a significant decline in their use for experimentation, and many countries have banned or heavily restricted chimpanzee research. Chimpanzees have also been kept as pets, performers, and zoo animals, while some people find them endearing. Keeping chimpanzees in captivity often leads to behavioral problems and raises serious ethical issues despite their resilience. Chimpanzees are classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Their populations are declining due to several interrelated threats: habitat loss, deforestation for agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development is the most significant threat to chimpanzee habitats. Hunting and poaching. Chimpanzees are hunted for bushmeat, traditional medicine, and the illegal pet trade. Diseases such as Ebola and respiratory infections, some transmitted by humans, have decimated populations. Human conflict. Civil unrest and armed conflict in some African countries have disrupted conservation efforts and increased the risks to both humans and chimpanzees. Numerous conservation initiatives are underway to protect chimpanzees, including habitat preservation, anti-poaching patrols, community education, and wildlife sanctuaries. International cooperation, funding, and policy changes are crucial to ensuring the long-term survival of this species. One of the most iconic chimpanzees in scientific history is David Greybeard, the first individual observed by Jane Goodall using a tool. Goodall's work with David and other chimpanzees at Gombe Stream National Park revolutionized our understanding of primate behavior. Other famous chimpanzees include Washoe, the first chimpanzee to learn American Sign Language, and Kanzi, a bonobo, closely related to chimpanzees, known for his linguistic and problem-solving abilities. These individuals have provided invaluable insights into the emotional and intellectual lives of great apes. The chimpanzee is far more than just an animal of the forest. It is a mirror into the past of our own species, a living embodiment of our evolutionary heritage, and a reminder of the complex interplay between nature, culture, and cognition. Through decades of research and observation, we have come to recognize chimpanzees not only as intelligent and emotional beings but as individuals worthy of compassion, respect, and protection. The future of chimpanzees rests in our hands. Whether they continue to thrive in the wild or fade into extinction will depend on our collective actions and commitment to preserving the natural world. As we strive to understand them better, we may ultimately come to understand ourselves more deeply as well.